Hey, how's it going? Today I'll show you how to fully load your Amazon Fire TV stick. I'm pretty sure you are aware that amount of apps in the original Amazon App Store is pretty much limited. So to increase the amount of available apps on your Fire Stick, you can fully load it by jailbreaking the Fire Stick. Here's what we're gonna do for it. One more thing I want to mention is that if you're watching my video and you go to the description, you'll see some links because some of you guys ask, for example, what computer screen am I using, what TV or microphone am I using. So I added links here to Amazon, to all the hardware and gear that I'm using, and also some free trial links such as for Amazon Prime. So that link would give you 1 month of service for free, and same with Audible, Amazon Family, or Amazon Music. And to be totally transparent, yes, if you buy something through my link, I will get a small affiliate commission on that. However, that's not going to cost you anything extra. The price would be totally the same as on regular Amazon website. However, this way you would support the channel, and that would be really kind of you. Now back to the video. First of all, you gotta go to search. And we are going to download an app called the Downloader. Here it popped out here at the bottom, but if it didn't, make sure to enter the full name of the app, which is Downloader. So press here, and there is going to be a button to download the app, but since I already have it on my device, there's no need for that. The next thing we're going to do is allow the downloader to install unknown apps from the internet. And to do so, we firstly gotta go to the settings. To do so, hold down your home button for a couple of seconds. Go to settings. Go to My Fire TV. And here I already have the option for developer options, but in case you don't see it, it might be possible that it's hidden on your Fire Stick device. So for them to appear, you need to go to About, select your Fire TV stick, and press on the select button for 7 times. And as you can see here now, at the bottom it says, no need, you are already a developer. But in your case, it would say something like, you have become a developer now. Then go to developer options, they should appear there now. Press on them, go to install unknown apps, and turn that option on for Downloader. Now we go back to Downloader app itself. Here it is, and here we gotta search for a code. Basically, we gotta enter a code here, which is 28907, and press on go. It's now gonna take a couple of seconds to load. You might have to wait a bit, and then scroll a page to a bottom a bit, and you're gonna see the categories, a lot of different stuff such as anime, antivirus, news, to social media. So you can press on those buttons and open the categories. But what I really recommend here is pressing on the app stores. Then scroll to the bottom once again, and here you see such apps as AppLinked, Epicure, Aptoid, Aurora Store, FileZynced, Unlinked, and other ones. So those are stores basically like Amazon Store, but with thousands of different apps which are not available by default in your regular Amazon Store. So it's more like a Google Play Store, I would say, because those stores are really huge. So for example, choose the Aptoid here, press. Once again, scroll until you see the download button. Now click on install here in the bottom right corner. And now you can either press on open or press on done and delete the APK file, which is just an installation file and you do not need it anymore. So I would really recommend deleting it. And then go back to your home screen, go to the list of your apps, and you'll see the Aptoid here. So that's how you full load or jailbreak your Amazon Fire TV stick. If the video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button, and of course, sub my channel for more tutorials on your Amazon Fire TV stick. Good luck!